Did you know you could save big on a Rolex by choosing the right destination? We're diving into the exciting world of luxury watches and figuring out where's the best place to buy a Rolex. Keep watching to uncover secret tips that can help you save money when buying a Rolex and make sure you get the real deal. In recent years, Rolex has become a famous name in the world of high-end watches. These timepieces are not just watches, they're seen as symbols of prestige and luxury. Yearly sales reports from the Swiss watch industry consistently confirm Rolex's domination in the luxury watch market. This makes Rolex the most desired brand in the watch industry. If you're a watch enthusiast, you've probably wondered, where can I find the best deal on a Rolex? Now, when it comes to finding the best country to buy a Rolex watch, it can vary depending on what Rolex model you're interested in, how accessible it is, and what people are willing to pay for it. However, there are certain countries known for their great Rolex markets. They offer a wide range of Rolex models, making it easier for you to find the exact watch you're looking for. So let's explore some of the top destinations for buying Rolex watches. Switzerland. Switzerland, where Rolex has its headquarters, is a natural choice for purchasing one of their watches. The prices in Switzerland tend to be lower than in many other countries, and you'll find a wide range of Rolex models to pick from. Switzerland boasts numerous authorized dealers and resellers, ensuring competitive prices. Additionally, Switzerland offers a value-added tax refund program, which means that if you're not a Swiss citizen, you can get some of the tax you paid on your purchase refunded to you. While Switzerland has traditionally been a popular destination for buying Rolex watches, it's worth noting that prices have increased in recent years due to the strength of the Swiss franc. Nevertheless, Rolex watches are still more affordable in Switzerland compared to many other places. It's important to consider that Switzerland is an expensive country to visit, so when making your decision, you should factor in the costs of travel and accommodation. Other parts of Europe. When departing from a place like Milan in Italy, you have the opportunity to claim a tax refund for a watch or designer item you've purchased at the airport. This process can be a bit labor-intensive, involving paperwork, but the potential tax savings are significant. Milan is known for offering a diverse range of Rolex watches. In Eastern Europe, countries like Romania, Hungary, Poland, and Greece are renowned for being great places to find more reasonably priced Rolex watches. To get the best prices, it's a good idea to focus on locally owned, authorized watch retailers. These countries have earned reputations for providing competitively priced Rolex watches, as long as their authenticity can be verified. For example, Rolex watches in cities like Athens are likely to be more affordable compared to counterparts in major timekeeping hubs, such as London or Paris. It's a great option for savvy shoppers looking for a good deal on a genuine Rolex timepiece. Singapore. Singapore is a city with a low tax rate on luxury goods and boasts numerous reputable dealers where you can find Rolex watches. While bargaining opportunities may be limited in Singapore, it's important to understand the significant importance that Singaporeans place on material possessions and the prestige and satisfaction derived from luxury watches. This heightened demand for such items contributes to higher prices. When considering purchasing a Rolex watch in Singapore, you should take into account the costs associated with traveling to Singapore and the overall expenses of the trip. These combined costs, along with your watch purchase, might surpass what you would spend for the same item in your local area. However, Singapore has earned a reputation for offering competitively priced luxury watches, including Rolex, thanks to its favorable tax policies on such goods. As a result, Rolex prices in Singapore remain competitive when compared to other countries. It's important to highlight that Singapore is known for being an expensive country to visit, so you should carefully weigh the potential savings on your Rolex purchase against the overall cost of your trip to decide if it's the right choice for you. Hong Kong. Hong Kong is indeed a fantastic option for buying Rolex watches. This city offers lower tax rates on luxury goods, translating into more affordable Rolex watches for shoppers. Moreover, Hong Kong serves as a major hub for the watch trade, providing a wide variety of Rolex models to choose from. It's well known as a top destination for upscale shopping and boasts numerous authorized dealers and resellers. One of the great advantages for shoppers in Hong Kong is the tax-free shopping policy extended to non-residents, which can lead to significant savings on luxury items like Rolex watches. While it's true that both Hong Kong and Singapore are known for high-end watch acquisitions, the affordability of watches in Hong Kong has decreased somewhat over time. Nevertheless, Hong Kong still features many family-owned second-hand watch stores that offer a diverse selection of timepieces. Although some watch prices have risen compared to previous levels, historically, Hong Kong has maintained its reputation as an excellent destination for purchasing luxury watches, including Rolex. This is primarily thanks to its low taxes on such items, resulting in competitive prices compared to other countries. United States. The United States is a significant market for Rolex watches, and it boasts numerous authorized dealers and resellers. Additionally, there's a thriving online market for luxury watches in the US, offering a wide array of Rolex models at various price points. Despite experiencing some ups and downs in recent years, the US dollar remains strong, making buying Rolex watches in the United States cost-effective for international buyers. What's more, the abundance of authorized Rolex dealers in the United States has fostered a competitive market for luxury watches, which can work in favor of the buyers. However, it's important to note that when shopping in the US, the listed price doesn't include sales tax, which is calculated at the checkout. Sales tax rates vary from state to state, but there are 5 states, namely Alaska, Delaware, Montana, New Hampshire, and Oregon, that have no state sales tax at all. If you're looking for a specific Rolex model, you might consider visiting these states to see if official stores carry the watch you desire. Japan. Japan is another highly popular destination for purchasing Rolex watches. In recent years, the Japanese yen has been relatively weak, making it an opportune time to consider buying a Rolex watch in Japan. Moreover, there's a strong demand for luxury watches in Japan, resulting in a multitude of reputable dealers to choose from. Japan has recently emerged as one of the most cost-effective locations to purchase Rolex watches. This favorable trend can be attributed to several factors, including the depreciation of the Japanese yen and the intense competition in the Japanese luxury goods market. With a robust luxury watch market and numerous authorized dealers, Japan experiences price reductions on Rolex watches, making them more affordable for shoppers. Additionally, Japan is a well-liked tourist destination, and it offers perks like tax-free shopping, which can further enhance the value proposition. However, it's essential to bear in mind that Japan is not typically known for being a budget-friendly country for travel and accommodation. When considering overall travel expenses, it may not be the most economical option for buying a Rolex. While some countries may offer slightly lower prices or additional advantages for purchasing Rolex watches, it's essential to understand that Rolex maintains uniform retail prices globally. Variations in Rolex prices between different countries are generally minor and may not justify the expenses associated with traveling. It's crucial to be aware of the prevalence of counterfeit Rolex watches in the market, underscoring the importance of buying from trustworthy dealers. Rolex aims to keep its retail prices consistent worldwide. In the end, which of these countries do you think is the best country to purchase a Rolex watch? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to Luxury Focus. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.